package just arrived. I don't actually know where this is. I'm opening it with you. I know all this stuff. I've ordered one. I don't think it's going to be that yet. Might be a birthday present. It's my birthday. Yay! We don't do ages anymore. We just do birthdays. But it's usually a can of beer if it's anything for the birthday. Hello. Let's hope that wasn't the breakable bit. It is. Okay. A while back, and quite popular video, was a video about the neat and tidy air gun with built-in compressor. Yeah, it was good. It just didn't work for very long. It fell apart. It stopped working and all seized up. So this is kind of the next stage up. It's that, and it comes with that as a compressor compared to the self-contained thing. In today's video, not necessarily today because I've got other things to do like build a chair, I'm going to test this out and see how it goes and see how well it works and see if I can paint really small details, which I'll see. I've had this for months. This is the most it's been used to get out of the cupboard and put that cable into here. I've not used it because I had no reason to. Today we're going to try it. In the past I have used an airbrush and it did that. So I've just not used this one. Let's see how we do. So Zhangling here, Tora's painting. She has a ball of fire, and so far we've painted the base black. Tora's painted the base black. Now she's going to go on to do reds and oranges and yellows, and we'll see how it goes with an airbrush. Okay, stage 2, red. How was it?
It's very good.
Yeah? Review rather than just it's very good?
I want one.
She wants one.
Sorry, it's my endorsement.
Right, well there we go, the eBay airbrush opinion.
Good.
So you're going to go and buy one, are you?
Yeah.
And then sit there and spray everything you can.
Yeah.
There you go, link in the description below. It's another random video.